All right, we want to continue from where we stopped yesterday. First of all, good afternoon and welcome to today's class. We started exponential function officially yesterday, though somehow part of our problems that we have been solving all the while might involve them, but we need to get it introduced officially yesterday. So today, let's continue from that and solve more problems on it. Is that okay? Good. Now let us continue. Okay, please, there should be something here over 4 power minus x. Yes. Now we're going to solve these two problems today. Now, let's begin with the first one. First one says 8 power x minus 3 is equal to 32 power x plus 5 over 4 power minus x. Is that okay? Now let's go. Remember, in a case like this, we have one side, is another side, left and right hand side. Is that okay? Remember, one of the simplest way to approach this is to bring all the bases to be the same. Okay? Try to make all the bases to have the same value. At this point, let's start from the lowest. If I change this 8 now, such that I will make 2 to be the base, probably I'm going to have power 3 to have 8. I mean 2 power 3 is going to give me 8. Alright? Now if 2 stands here as a base with 3 as its index, can it still really function here? These are one of the ways to start. Okay? If it doesn't go, you can just try 3. Okay? Good. Now let's say if I say 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. Is that okay? What of 32? Since 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, Abby, 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. That means I have this to be 2 power 5. This is 2 power 3. Is that okay? Then 4, of course, is 2 times 2, which is 2 power 2. So that means if I should have 2 as the basis for each of this number, it really works. Now let's go. I'm going to have 8 will be 2 power 3, which is this here. 2 power 3. Okay. Then brackets x minus 3 is equal to 32 is going to give us 2 power 5. 2 power 5. Then brackets x plus 5 all over 4 we're going to give us 2 power 2. 2 to power 2 brackets minus x. Is that okay? Now let's go. Let's clear the brackets. I have 2 here. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Is equal to, come over here, 5 times x is 5x plus 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, then I have 2 times minus x is minus 2x. Okay, now let's go. 2 power 3x minus 9. Now what we have here is more like saying this divided by this. You remember in law of division, you take one of the bases, then subtract the powers. Okay, I'm going to take 2, which is one of the bases, since they are similar, or rather they are the same. Then I'll have power 5x plus 25, then minus this, minus 2x. Okay, now let's go. So I'm going to have 2 power 3x minus 9 is equal to 2 5x plus 25 minus times minus is plus. Is Is that okay? At this point, we take away this. Then we are left with the powers, which are 3x minus 9 is equal to 5x plus 25 plus 2x. Let's collect like terms here. Okay, let the variables come to this side while the constants go the right hand side. Let's do it that way. 3x, this one comes, it becomes 5 minus 5x. This one comes over, becomes minus 2x equal to, the 25 is here already, then 9 is here. Here is minus, so when it crosses, it becomes minus, so it becomes plus 9. Now, let us see, 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. Then minus 2x minus 2x is minus 4x is equal to 25 plus 9 is going to give us 34. Okay, now we're going to divide both sides by minus 4. The minus cancel minus, that's plus. 4 divided 4, then I have x left here. So x is equal to, let's divide this side. So I'm going to have, let me start from the simplest one. Let me use 2. 2 in 3 is 1, remain 1. Then 2 in, you put the 1 here, that's 14. 2 in 14 is 7. Alright, then 2 divided minus 4 is minus 2. Is that okay? Or I can still make it to be, what was it called? 2 can go in 17 8 times, because 2 times 8 is 16. So you're going to give us minus 8 whole number, remainder 1 over 2. That is that for that. Is that okay? Good. Let's try the second one as well. Then that is all for that. Second one says 25 power x minus 5x minus 20 equal to 0. Now, of course, looking at these two, you can still make 25 to have the same base with 5, which is something as saying 5 power 2, all right, bracket x, 5 power 2 is 25, this x is still what is here, minus 5x minus 20 equal to 0. Remember, look here please, pay attention here, 2 times x, something as saying x times 2, this and this are the same. Okay, so if I come here, I can say 5 power x times 2 minus 5 power x minus 20 equal to 0. Here I have 5x here, same thing here. I can say let y equal to 5 power x. That means from here, this equation now, anywhere I see 5 power x, I'm going to put y there. Okay, so here now I put y, but it becomes power 2, y power 2 minus another y, okay, minus another y minus 20 is equal to 0. Is that okay? Please pay attention here again. Pay attention here again. Listen, this is 5 power x times 2 minus 5 power x. Is that okay? Good. Minus 20. So let y represent this thing here. That means anywhere I see 5 power x, I'm going to put y in this equation. So y should be here, power 2 minus y minus 20 equal to 0. Is that okay? Let's continue. At this point, we are going to, this is already a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. So let's solve it. At this point, I'm going to think of two numbers that when you multiply them, it will give you 20. But when you add them, it's going to give you minus 1. Minus 1 is this y's coefficient, right? So let's say I have, first of all, 10 times 2 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Also, 20 times 1 is still 20. Now, if I just say, if I should subtract from this place, I cannot get anything minus 1. If I should also subtract from anywhere here, I cannot get anything minus 1. But look at this one now. If I just say 4, let's say 4 minus 5, is that okay? That gives me minus 1. Still, 4 times minus 5 is going to give us minus 20. So that means this is the right factor to be used in this place. 4 and 5 is what I picked here. Alright? Now, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, which is what I have as this y coefficient. Then the same 4 times minus 5 going to give me minus 20, what I have here still. So the right thing to do is to replace this thing now with, let's watch, minus 5y plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. Is that okay? Now I'm going to take this factor in this place. Now what is common here is y. I'm left with y minus 5 plus what common here is 4. 4, take it outside. I'm left with y minus 4 into 20 is 5 is equal to 0. Is that okay? Now let's go. I'm going to take this and this, y plus 4. Then this is just, I can just pick one from either this or this. So I'm going to have, then, what's it called? Y minus 5 to be equal to 0. This means that either y plus 4 is equal to 0 or y minus 5 equal to 0. From here now, y will give me minus 4. Y from here, y will give me 5. Y gives me 5. So this is the right solution to this particular problem here. This one here. Because this negative cannot really give us what we really want in this place. So thank you for this. I'm going to send your assignments your way before the day runs out. But please kindly go through, watch over and over and over again. Thank you very much. Bye for now.